Hey class, since we're talking about medical veterinary entomology this week, I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you the difference between poisonous and venomous organisms. So first up, we have our friend, the Brazilian black tarantula. This is an example of a venomous organism. So she would have some fangs to inject a venom into her prey to subdue them. Typically, a venom is made in glands and is used for hunting, can be used for defense if necessary. Venom is usually injected via fangs, stings, or maybe barbs, something like a stingray, something like that. So this is a venomous organism. On the other hand, we have a poisonous organism. So our old friend, the eastern lubber grasshopper, remember, she eats plants that have toxins in them, and she can hold those toxins in her body. Hang on a minute, I'm gonna put this spider up. She's getting a little wily. So she holds these toxins in her body, and that makes her poisonous. So a poison is a chemical that has to be absorbed into the body, and that can be done through breathing the poison in, which would be absorbed through my lungs. If I was to take this grasshopper and eat it, that would be absorbing it through my digestive tract. And also you can absorb poisons through your skin. And just thinking about what we talked about with our pesticide safety, that one of the number one ways of getting pesticide exposure is actually dermal or through your skin. So poisonous organisms are ones that you have to eat to get the toxin into your body. And if you think about it again, I've showed you her bright hind wings before. Usually poisonous organisms have some sort of advertisement that say, hey, I'm poisonous, because it doesn't do them any good for a predator to come up and take a chunk out of them and then find out that they're poisonous. The whole point of having a poison in you is so that doesn't happen. So a lot of things with bright coloration, orange and yellow, like a monarch butterfly. Remember, they get the plant toxins from the milkweeds that they eat and hold those in their body, and that makes them poisonous. So something that would try to eat it would get sick. So I'm sure, like all y'all growing up, in a rural area, whatever, your parents, your grandparents say, hey, you be careful down around that pond. There's poisonous snakes down there. Well, if they were just poisonous snakes, it wouldn't be a problem, right? Because you'd be fine as long as you didn't eat them. But what they're really worried about are venomous snakes, one that might bite you out of defense, and then cause you pain and illness. So next time you hear one of them saying that, you can drop a little knowledge on them. Say, no, there's not any poisonous snakes down there, right? Because you can eat a rattlesnake. You can take a bite out of a rattlesnake, but you don't want a rattlesnake to take a bite out of you. So that's the big difference. Poisons have to be absorbed into the body through inhalation, ingestion, or absorbing through the skin. And a venom is injected into the body via mouth parts, or a sting, or a barb of some sort. And they're usually venoms are always produced by animals. Anyway, there you go. Hope y'all are being safe and enjoying everything, enjoying this lovely weather we're having lately. And I'll talk to you later.